Welcome to another class for carbon and its compounds. In our last classes, we talked about how many types of bonds, covalent bonds, there are that a carbon can form. The structural help that we took to understand that concept known as electron dot structure. Now, electron dot structure, the statement of electron dot structure is the electron dot structure provide a picture of bonding in molecules in terms of shared pairs of electron and octet rule. This is the main concept of electron dot structure. By the shared pair of electron and octet rule, depending on these two factors, a structural formation was created to depict what kind of structure a molecule or a species will have. That thing is known as electron dot structure. The structure that we had discussed in our last classes, all of them represented an electron dot structure. Today we are going to study two more structure. One, an hydrocarbon comprising carbon hydrogen bond. The first one, that the hydrocarbon I am talking about, the compound is known as methane. So let's see how the electron dot structure of methane can be constructed. Now, the central atom of methane molecule is carbon, and carbon contains four hydrogen atom around it. Carbon also contains four valence electron. So carbon in methane molecule will share its four valence electron to the each of the hydrogen atom. Thus attaining its octet, and all the hydrogen will attain their doublet, and thus methane will have four single bond around the carbon, and this is the Lewis dot structure of methane will look like. There is another electron dot structure that we are going to construct for a molecule known as hydrogen sulfide. Formation of The central atom in H2S is sulfur. Sulfur contain 6 valence electron. Out of the 6 valence electron, it shared 2 electron to each of the hydrogen atom, which contain 1 electron, and they share 1 electron to the sulfur. And thus sulfur gains their let's try to construct this in a different way. Sulfur is completing its octet, and hydrogen is also completing their octet, and thus hydrogen sulfide is being produced containing 2 single bond and 2 lone pair of electron on the sulfur.